A1 Korea class. They talk about Chloe here, this vendor. I'm in Niles, Illinois, Walmart, Subway, and I didn't pay by them. And now they have a critical breeder for the claw machine over here in Niles, Illinois. Let's see how the strength of this claw is. I'm gonna try to get Velma, even though she doesn't look old school. Let's see how strong this is. This claw, let's see. Oh boy. Oh my gosh, I gotta try her again. The claw was like that when I first played it, you guys. And I just got here. Let's see if I can get Velma now. I almost got her by her arm or leg. Let's try again. I'm doing very, very well, you guys. Come on, Velma. Come on, Velma. Velma. Nice. I got Velma. Nice. So thank you for watching. And this is another one for you, Nohi. So take care. You're awesome and spectacular, and all you guys as well. And take care. I got the Velma. Nice and sweet.